Hi, here we are back in the kitchen with Luca, and we are making another treat. A made it to the end of the week treat, we call it. What are we making today, Luca?
Ice cream cake.
And what are we going to start with?
Putting milk into a pot.
Yes, so we're going to start with our ice cream base, and so we're going to put a cup of milk in the pot and turn it on. Turn the burner on. And then we're going to add
Sugar.
3/4 cup of white sugar. And we're going to whisk it over heat until the sugar is dissolved. Alright, now that our sugar is dissolved into the cup of milk, we're going to add 2 cups of Tully Farm heavy cream. And we'll add our hot sugar milk mix after burning. And Luca's going to whisk that together. And he'll add
Vanilla.
a tablespoon of vanilla and salt. If you had vanilla seed, that would be excellent. And we'll whisk that around and we'll put it in the fridge until it's completely chilled. Welcome back. So while our ice cream base is cooling in the fridge, we're going to make a cookie crust, and we're going to use our famous brand sandwich cookies. And how many do we have?
24.
24 sandwich cookies we're going to put in the food processor. And we're going to blend those up good. Alright, when it's about done, and we're going to keep it going, we're going to pour in 3 tablespoons of butter. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, that looks pretty good.
Pretty smooth. Stays in its form.
Yeah. We're going to dump that into a springform pan that we coated with cooking spray and cocoa powder so that it'll help it come out really well. You can use a measuring cup for this, pack it down, or you can just get in there with your fingers if you want. Luca?
Yes.
Why don't you do the honors?
Okay.
I'm going to do the
Bring
bottom,
it up on the side.
the bottom and up the sides a bit. I don't know if we're going to go all the way up the sides. So. Doesn't it spread out pretty well? And pack it down really well. When we're done with that, we'll put it in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. So we're back. Our ice cream base is cold, and the cookie shell is now done and in the freezer. And I like to just whip some air into the cookie base before we put it in our ice cream maker. Otherwise it comes out a little bit too dense. So Luca's going to whip some air into that. Alright, turn it off. Alright, and then we can just take that out, tap it out. Now we're going to pour our base into the ice cream maker, and after about 15 minutes, we'll put in little pieces of edible cookie dough. When it's mixed after a few minutes in there, then we'll put the whole thing in the freezer for several hours. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes, so now I'm going to break this up into pieces, put it in there, let it run for another 5 minutes, and then while it's still a little soft, I'm actually going to pour it into the cookie shell and then put it in the freezer. Well, it's the next day, and after sitting in the freezer all night, I took a hot knife, a knife that I dipped in hot water and ran all the way around the outside before popping the spring form off, and we are ready to try it. Good?
Yeah.
All right, thanks for joining us.